Hi, my name is Megan. I'm an occupational therapist and also a product officer for VOCIC Medical. VOCIC Medical was founded in 2013 with the one simple idea of move the way you want. VOCIC steps in when walking becomes slower, standing becomes harder, and distance feels longer. Today, I want to show you the Z22 upright walker. It has a patented gel comfort armrest with its anti-slip texture to deliver a superior shock absorption, reducing arm and elbow pressure during daily use. It has a reinforced triangular frame with a 300-pound capacity, allowing users to sit on the ergonomic arch seat for rest breaks. The armrests flip away, giving the user more space and comfort when sitting on the walker seat. The armrests are adjustable to perfectly match the user's elbow length. The handles and seat are adjustable to fit users from 4'7" to 5'9". It comes with a push and pull braking system to increase overall safety and reduce falls. The upright walker is a valuable mobility device because it promotes functional movement, postural alignment, and participation in meaningful daily activities, while reducing physical strain and reducing the risk for falls. Compared to standard walkers that encourage a forward flexion and a downward gaze, upright walkers allow the user to maintain a more neutral spine, encouraging the upright thoracic and cervical posture that enhances an elevated visual field. This alignment enhances balance reactions, promotes symmetrical weight distribution, and decreases compensatory patterns that often lead to pain or fatigue. This directly supports both physical performance and occupational engagement. The upright walker can significantly impact endurance and energy conservation. When posture is improved and upper extremity strain is reduced, clients are able to ambulate longer distances with less effort. This is particularly important for individuals with cardiopulmonary limitations, neurological conditions, or generalized deconditioning. Upright walkers also promote functional use of the upper extremities by offloading weight from the wrists and hands and redistributing it through the forearms. Individuals with arthritis, weakness, non-weight-bearing precautions, or pain in the hands can ambulate more comfortably. This can preserve hand function for self-care tasks such as grooming, feeding, or dressing. Additionally, the walker is equipped with a seat and storage bag, allowing the user to rest as needed and carry personal items, which supports independence and task completion throughout the day. From an OT perspective, improved endurance directly translates to greater independence with functional mobility needed for activities of daily living, such as accessing the bathroom, navigating the kitchen, or participating in community tasks like shopping or attending a picnic.